Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to find the Legendre's polynomials. Okay, for n equal to different values, for n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, I'm going to find the Legendre's polynomials. Here by Rodrigues formula we know that Pn of x, Legendre's polynomial Pn of x is given by 1 by 2 to the power n into n factorial into nth derivative of x square minus 1 raised to n for polynomial of degree n. For n equal to 0, what happens? Substituting n equal to 0 in the Rodrigues formula, P naught of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 0, 0 factorial, 0th derivative of this one will become 1. It will not become 0. Understand this? Its raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, its derivative, 0th derivative, no term is there, means it is equal to 1. Therefore, P naught of x is equal to 1. For n equal to 1, that is P1 of x equal to 1 by 2 to the power 1, 1 factorial into first derivative of x square minus 1 raised to n equal to 1 I am substituting. Therefore, 1 by 2 raised to 1 is 2, 1 factorial is 1 into differential of x square minus 1 is 2x, 2 cancels, therefore x. P1 of x equal to x. Like that, for n equal to 2, I am finding here P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 2 into 2 factorial, second derivative of x square minus 1 raised to 2. That is 1 by 4, 2 factorial is 2. First derivative of x square minus 1 raised to 2 will become 2 into x square minus 1 into differential of x square minus 1 is 2x. Therefore, 2 into 2, 4, 4 cancels. 1 by 2 into first derivative of x into x square, x cube minus x. Okay. Now, its differentiation will become 1 by 2 into 3x square minus differential of x cube is 3x square minus 1. Therefore, P2 of x is 1 by 2 3x square minus 1. Like that, P3 of x, n equal to 3. For n equal to 3, P3 of x, I have divided here 1 by 3, 2 raised to 3, 3 factorial, third derivative of x square minus 1 raised to 3. All these things, derivations I have done. Please pause the video, and if any step is not understanding, please comment me so that I can explain that. Okay, final answer I am giving here, that is P3 of x is nothing but 1 by 2 raised to 5x cube minus 3x. Like that, for n equal to 4, P4 of x equal to 1 by 2 raised to 4, 4 factorial into fourth derivative of x square minus 1 raised to 4. All this differentiation, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, everything I have explained in this video. Okay, please go through that. If any doubt is there, again comment me. And the final answer I have given here, P4 of x is equal to 1 by 8 into 35x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3. Okay, now all these things I have formulated here. Therefore, P naught of x equal to 1, P1 of x, polynomial, Legendre's polynomials. Okay, P1 of x equal to x, P2 of x equal to of degree 2, that is 1 by 2 3x square minus 1, P3 of x equal to 1 by 2 5x square x cube minus 3x, P4 of x equal to 1 by 8 into 35x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3. Using these, the polynomials can be expressed in Legendre's polynomials. X can be expressed as P1 of x. Therefore, x square equal to, I can express in terms of P2 of x, P1 of x, P0 of x. Those using this, let me solve the examples on this. Example on Legendre's polynomial here, that is express x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 in terms of Legendre's polynomials. That means in terms of P0 of x, P1 of x, P3 of x and so on. Okay. Now, I have P0 of x is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 I can write it as P1 of x. No problem. Okay. Like that, P1 of x is equal to, I am having x. Therefore, whenever x is there, x can be replaced by P1 of x. Like that, I have P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 times 3x square minus 1. Therefore, x square equal to what I have to write in terms of p0, p2 and all those things. Therefore, I can write it as 3x square minus 1 equal to 2 times p2 of x, correct, which implies x square is equal to 2 times p2 of x, correct, 2 times p2 of x plus 1 into 1 by 3, or this 1 also I can write it as a p0 of x. Therefore, x square equal to, I have to replace 1 by 3 times 2 times p2 of x plus this 1 I can replace by p0 of x, correct. Whenever x square is there in the expression, I can replace it by 1 by 3 times 2 into p2 of x plus p1 of x. Like that. What about for x cube? For this x cube, what I have to replace? To do that, p3 of x equal to, I have p3 of x equal to 1 by 2 times 5x cube minus p3 of x equal to, I know that 1 by 2 5x cube minus 3x. Therefore, 5x cube minus 3x equal to 2 times p3 of x. Therefore, x cube equal to 1 by 5 times 2 times pq of x plus 3x. But x equal to, I have p1 of x. Therefore, x cube equal to, I can write it as 1 by 5 times 2 times p3 of x plus 3 times x. X is nothing but p1 of x. Okay. All these things I will substitute in my given example. Okay. Therefore x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to, x cube is replaced by 1 by 5 times 2 p3 of x plus 3 times p1 of x plus 2 into x square. X square I will replace it by this one, 1 by 3 times 2 times p2 of x plus p0 of x minus 4 times x. X is nothing but p1 of x plus 5 times into 1 I can write, that is p0 of x, 5 times p0 of x. Simplifying this, considering the p3 containing terms, p3 is 1, only one term is there, therefore it is 2 by 5 p3 of x. Then p2 containing terms, here it is not there, here it is there, p2 of x, therefore here it is a 4 times 4 by 3 times 4 by 3 times p2 of x plus p1 of x containing terms and its coefficients, p1 of x 3 by 5, correct, 3 by 5. Then one more p1 of x is here, that is minus 4 times p1 of x plus next p0 of x. P0 of x containing terms, no term here, here it is there, p0 of x, its coefficient will become 2 by 3 and plus 5 into p0 of x, which is nothing but 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 4 by 3 p2 of x plus LCM is 5, 20, okay, minus 17 divided by 5 p1 of x plus LCM is 3, 15 plus 2, 17 divided by 3 p0 of x. This is the Legendre's polynomial, which is equivalent to our given polynomial. This is in terms of x, whether this is in the Legendre's polynomial and their coefficients are like this. Like that, another example also I am going to solve in my x square plus 2x square minus x plus 1 equal to a into p0 of x plus b into p1 of x plus c into p2 of x plus d into p3 of x. Then find the values of a, b, c, d. where this P0, P1, P2 are the legendary polynomials. Okay, then how to solve this one? We know already legendary polynomials. P0 of x is equal to 1. P1 of x is equal to x, we know. Like that, P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 times 3x square minus 1. That also I know. But I want reverse. X square equal to I want. Therefore, solving this one, and I am going to get 3x square minus 1 is equal to 2 times P2 of x. Therefore, x square is equal to 2P2 of x plus 1 into 1 by 3. But this 1 can be replaced by P0 of x. Okay, therefore, x square is equal to 1 by 3 times 2 into P2 of x plus P0 of x. X square I can write. X I can write. P1 of 1 I can write. Like that, one more term I want, x cube. X cube, to find out that P3 of x equal to, you know, P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 times 5x cube minus 3x. Therefore, 5x cube minus 3x is equal to 2 times P3 of x, or x cube is equal to 2 times P3 of x plus 3x into 1 by 5. This is due to 5. And it is again in terms of x. Therefore, x can be replaced by P1 of x. 1 by 5 times 2P3 of x plus 3 times P1 of x I can write. Okay, this is a x cube. All these things, x cube, x square, x and all those things, I will substitute in the LHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1. And what is my x cube? X cube is 1 by 5 times 2P3 of x plus 3 times P1 of x plus 2 times x square. X square already calculated. Okay, that will substitute. X square is into 1 by 3 times 2 times P2 of x plus P0 of x minus x. X is nothing but P1 of x plus 1. 1 I can replace it by P0 of x. From all these things, I have to just combine the terms containing P0 of x, P1 of x, P3 of x. Then I will get the values of ABCD. P0 of x containing terms 1, 2. Therefore, their coefficients, P0 of x coefficients, I will write here as P0 of x here 1, that is 2 by 3 plus 1, correct? 2 by 3 plus 1 into P0 of x, okay, plus then P1 of x containing terms, P1 of x, one more P1 of x. Their coefficients is 3 by 5, 3 divided by 5 and minus 1 into P1 of x, okay, plus P2 of x containing terms, only one term is there, P2 of x, 2 into 2, 4, 4 by 3, P2 of x, and then finally P3 of x containing term, only one, that is 2 by 5 P3 of x. I will simplify this, that is LCM is 3, 3 plus 5, 5 by 3 P0 of x plus LCM is 5, 3 minus 5 minus 2 times minus 2 by 5 P1 of x plus 4 by 3 P2 of x plus 2 by 5 P3 of x. Comparing this one with A P0 of x plus B P1 of x plus C P2 of x plus D P3 of x. What I am going to get here is A is equal to 5 by 3, B is equal to minus 2 by 5, and C is equal to 4 by 3, and finally D is equal to 2 by 5. These are the values of A, B, C, D from the given example. Like this, one more example I am going to solve here. In this example, I have to show that our regular polynomial in X in terms of polynomial, Legendre's polynomial I have to prove. Here, x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x equal to, I have to show this. For that, again Legendre's polynomials I know as p naught of x is equal to 1. I can use 1, can replace by that. P1 of x is equal to x, I know that x can be replaced by P1 of x. Like that, P2 of x is equal to, I have 1 by 2 times 3x square minus 1. That implies 3x square minus 1 is equal to 2 times P2 of x. Therefore, x square equal to 2 times P2 of x plus 1 divided by 3, or x square equal to, I can replace it by 1 by 3 times 2 P2 of x. 1 is nothing but P naught of x. Okay, this is x square is replaced by what? Like that, x3. Okay, x3 is not necessary because I am not having here in x3. Therefore, x4, to replace x4, I am considering direct p4. I know p4 of x is equal to 1 by 8 times 35 x raised to 4 minus 30 x square plus 3. Okay, from this I have to evaluate for x raised to 4. That is 35 x raised to 4 minus 30 x square plus 3 equal to 8 times p4 of x. Therefore, x raised to 4 is equal to 8 times p4 of x, 8 times p4 of x plus 30 times x square minus 3 and divided by 1 divided by 35. But x square already I have explained, substitute that. Therefore, 1 divided by 35 into 8 times p4 of x plus 30 times x square. X square is again 1 by 3 times 2p2 of x plus p naught of x minus 3 times into 1. I can write it as a p naught of x. Simplifying this, I am going to get it as 8 divided by 35 times p4 of x, and here 3 ones are 3 tens are 10 plus 2, 1 by 35 into 20 times p2 of x, correct, plus 10 by 35, 10 divided by 35 into p naught of x minus 3 times p naught of x. Okay, therefore finally what I can simplify this one is 8 divided by 35 times p4 of x plus 7, 4 by 7 p2 of x I can write, and this one I can. Okay, next 10 by 35 p naught of x minus 3 divided by 35 into p naught of x. Therefore, LCM is 35 and 10 minus 3, 7 35 into p naught of x, or 7 ones are 7 5s are. Substituting all these things in the LHS. Okay, that is LHS equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x raised to 4, 8 divided by 35 p4 of x plus 4 by 7 p2 of x plus 1 by 5 p naught of x is my x4 minus 3 times x square. X square is 1 by 3 times 1 by 3 times 2p2 of x plus p naught of x, okay, plus x is p1 of x. Then simplifying this, x4 p4 only one term, 8 divided by 35 p4 of x. Then p3 is not there, p2 containing terms, one term, two terms, here 3 cancels, therefore 4 by 7 minus 2, 4 by 7 minus 2 into p2 of x. Then p1 of x, only one term is there, plus p1 of x plus p naught of x containing terms, one term, two terms, that is 1 by 5 minus 1, 1 by 5 minus 1 p naught of x, which is nothing but 8 divided by 35 p4 of x plus LCM is 7, 14 minus 10, minus 10 divided by 7 p2 of x plus p1 of x, and here LCM is 5, 5 minus 1, 4, minus 4 divided by 5 p naught of x, which is nothing but your RHS. Like this, some more examples I am going to solve in my next videos. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends.